This video is brought to you in part by Skullcandy. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I have a video of something Skullcandy related, judging by what I just said. Let's crack this open. Okay. Well, I guess that works. Skullcandy Stim. Let's open it. So apparently you open it from the bottom of the box. How do you open this? I don't know why they make packaging so complicated nowadays. You know, for this box, let's just screw it. Let's just get the scissors and snap it open. Yeah, well, that works. Okay. I almost ripped the headphones in half. That's something for you. You know what? Before I talk about them, why don't I just get them out of the actual box? That seems to work too. Not so happy with opening it the way I opened it. Skullcandy packages the products extremely well. Just, I like to be a moron. Slide them right out. Whoa. These look surprisingly really good. Inline controller, that's nice. Just a one single button. You can only skip, return, all those tracks and all stuff. New volume rocker. Mini jack connector, which for me, for my iPhone, I need to use this stupid little thing. Whoa. That's pretty stiff. Well, obviously, straight out of a fresh box. Did they extend it all? Oh, they do. Okay, I didn't even know that. Extend very nicely. These ear pads almost gonna feel like the grinds and the Hesh combined. Hesh 2, not the wireless ones. They feel nice. They feel like they have a lot of padding. They have a nice and extendable. If anyone doesn't really know this, this is a wire up here. It's mostly for looks. You can barely tell, but if you stretch it out quite a bit, it will be exposed. I know it's more for fashion, but for some people, it might be a pain in the ass. I really like how it's like a half matte finish, a little bit of gloss on the outsides right here. This is nice. Why don't I actually try these on? Why don't I take the hat off? That might help. Whoa. Okay. Actually, am I having this on right? Okay, sometimes messes up with the left and right. You can never tell nowadays. Okay, I had them on right. Okay, so that feels pretty nice. That's actually a pretty good noise isolation seal for an on-ear headphone. It feels a lot more tighter than the grind, as I just said. But also with the ear pads, they feel a little stiff, obviously because they're brand new. But breaking them in, I can tell I can probably very much enjoy these. I actually forget how much these are. But still, these things feel pretty good. I will definitely do a review for you guys when the time comes. Let's actually see how long this wire is. It's probably standard. It's pretty long. It's actually very nice and well built. Is there anything else special here I need to know? 40 millimeter drivers. I'm sorry. First time I've ever been wrong with Skullcandy. Believe it or not, that's the truth. Slim, low profile fit, built for the head, call and track control, adjustable headband, blah blah blah. Okay, so thank you for checking out my unboxing of these cool little guys. I'll have a review for these probably sometime soon. Not sure when exactly that will be up, but it will be. I've always loved Skullcandy products. We'll definitely see how these hold up to time. And as always, you guys, thank you for stopping by, checking out this video, and all the other videos. Until next time, guys, make sure to stay tuned for more.